right, so this Tacoma back here, they got the guys started on it already. They're almost already done. But we did the rough country Vertex coilovers in the front there with the adjustable reservoirs on it. In the rear, we added a ready lift block kit on there to get it to sit just the way that he wanted. And then they are adding a Flow Master American Outlaw exhaust on there. So I think they're finishing up with it right now. So we'll see it when it gets down.
1 hour later.
All finished up. We got the Tacoma here. Like we said before, this thing got the rough country Vertex coilovers in the front with a ready lift rear block kit to kind of adjust it a little bit to account for that topper that's on the rear. And then we also did the Flow Master Outlaw series exhaust on there. But I'll show you these Vertex coilovers. The cool thing about them is they got an 8-speed adjustable reservoir on there to be able to help out with the dampening, which is right down in here. And then with the exhaust that's on here as well, we'll show you a clip of the before sound and then what the after sound is. So it's definitely a pretty neat tone on there. Perfect for what this thing is, and I think the customers are going to be pretty happy with it. And as we were finishing up the Tacoma, they just got finished with this guy here. So this one got a rough country leveling kit on here. But then we also did the strobe lights on the front that you can see here, universal strobe lights, and then we've got universal strobe lights in the rear, which I'll take you around and show you. So we've got the universal strobe here, and then we've also got the Putco work blade light underneath the tailgate. So we'll show you a quick clip of these things running.